Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. It's February 4th. It's maybe 15 minutes till 11 p.m. East Coast time. And we're going to take a quick look at Archangel token, reflections, staking pool rewards, a little bit of the ecosystem, and let's take a look at the charts, right? The first thing we need to do is just take a look at the general market conditions. We're on coin market cap. Total market cap for crypto is $1,886,000,000,000. That's a lot of money. Bitcoin dominance is 41.6%. Ethereum dominance is 19%. That went up a little bit. Let's look at the prices. Bitcoin's price right now is $41,401. It went up 10.75% in the last 24 hours. And in the 7 days, it's up just under 10%. Ethereum price, $2,990. Wow. Man, we're pushing the $3,000 limit back. It's good to see it back up at that price, right? In the last 24 hours, we're up 11.1%. And in the last 7 days, 18% up. That's impressive for Ethereum. Strong move. BNB's up 7.5% on the day. It's at pretty much $400. It's up 3% on the week. If we scroll down, everything is up. Top 10 tokens are all up a lot on the day and decent amount, even more on the week. If we look at Shiba Inu is number 15 token. Current price 402264. It's up almost 10% on the day and 6.2% on the week. Scroll down. Seeing a lot of green, so that's positive. We got Algorand, number 25 token. It's exactly $1. Impressive. It's up 7.39% on the day and 3% on the week. Decentraland, it's up 10% on the day, almost 28% on the week. It's at $2.96. So the number 29 token. Stellar Lumens is moved it around. I'm sorry. It's number 31. It's up 8.8% on the day, 6% on the week. Let's scroll down. We want the Sandbox is at $4.19. It's up 14% on the day, 16.5% on the week. And what else we got? Anything interesting? Pretty much, if we scroll down, top 100 tokens, all in the green on the day, a lot, and all in the green on the week, mostly. A decent amount. Harmony tokens at 19.82 cents. It's up 9% on the day, 8% on the week. Number 49 token. That's Harmony. Harmony 1 token. Look at Gala Games is at 22.5 cents. It's up 20% on the day and it's up 18% on the week. Man, rock it out, man, Gala Games. What else do we got? Anything else? I don't know. Lots of green in the top 100. Very impressive. Let's take a look at a couple other tokens, okay? Currently, Saitama token is up 11.7% on the day. It's at 702559. Let's take a look at Archangel token price because that's what we really want to find out about. It's 903592. It's up 15.75% in the last 24 hours. That's really good. Straight up, good deal. Everything's up. I don't know if it's a market correction, but if we look at the chart real quick, it's this 4-hour chart, which means each bar is 4 hours. And there's a support line I had. I never moved that chart or that line. I was thinking about doing that. Either way, here's an upward trend line. It went below it. Now it's above it. Let's see if it can maintain above that trend line. Let's scroll out a little bit. Nothing crazy. Let's look at some. Oh, hold on. Real quick. Daily volume, 64,153. Pretty sure that's up for the day. A lot more than average. Let's look at some of the buys and sells. We had a buy, looks like half an hour ago, 1.7 ETH. Strong work. We had this one wallet that sold. Let's look. It had 2 buys for 5.1 ETH, but 20 sales for 13.9 Ethereum. Not sure what's going on there. It's kind of sketch looking into a wallet like that. It's kind of confusing. Not sure what it is. Either way, down here, this is earlier today. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, East Coast time. Let's take a look at that. They haven't had any previous buys and sells on that chart, which is, I think it goes back to the last 500 transactions. Either way, we'll click here, right? ERC20 tokens, and we're on Etherscan right now. They 15 hours ago, that was this morning, right? 7 o'clock at some point. They purchased 5 trillion Ethereum, I'm sorry, 5 trillion Archangel. A few minutes later, pretty much the same time on here, it shows they sold 78,400,000,000 Saitama tokens. Let's see how much they spent on their Archangel. Oh, actually, they swapped Saitama straight up for Archangel. That was this morning, February 4th. Earlier it said 7 o'clock. Right now it shows me UTC time. And sorry, I'm not converting that right now. That's just too hard. Okay. $2,000 worth of Saitama. They said, hey, man, I'm just going to cash that in for ARCA. And they ended up receiving 5,044,000,000,000 ARCA. What was their gas fee? What are the gas fees these days? $75.38. I guess that's reasonable. That's about normal these days. Good for them. So they purchased 5 billion, or I'm sorry, 5 trillion, 44 billion. Let's go back and just look at their wallet. If you click on this tab, it's easier because they have the commas in there. They still have $2,200 of Saitama and what they just purchased of Archangel, 5 trillion. They're a first-time buyer, so hey, welcome to the club. I appreciate you being here. So let's go out and take a look at the wallet holders. We were already on Etherscan, but let's go back just to the Etherscan main page for Archangel. Current wallet holders, 4,671. So if we scroll over to the, let's say the spreadsheet, ARCA wallet holders, 4,671. We're up 2 on the day, so we're gaining some holders now. I think losing holders, that might be out the window, I hope. Either way, total market cap, 18,637,000. Fully diluted market cap, 35,920,000. Like I said, the volume is 64,000. If we scroll up a little bit, that volume, we haven't seen volume that high since just around January 24th and January 23rd. So that means the burn was going to increase, right? Price is still pretty low. Volume goes up. Daily burn goes up. So in the last 24 hours, the amount of tokens that were sent to the burn wallet for buy and sell transactions was 3,684,000,000,000, which is a lot of tokens, right? So 7-day average burn, 1,600,000,000,000. Let's take a quick look at our wallet with our reflections. I'll scroll that over a little bit. Not sure why it shows that. Daily reflections for our 1 trillion original purchase, which we only have 500 billion in our wallet, but we've staked 500 billion. Daily reflections, 36 million. But the rewards to the staking pool, the daily rewards at the staking pool is 106 million. That's a lot. Granted, it's not 10 times as much like it has been in the past. It looks like it's only 3 times as much. So the steady rate of the increase of the daily the daily rewards to the reflections pool seems to be about 105 million. 105 million a day in the staking pool. Today, the reflections increased, which is positive. That means more people are looking into Archangel, more people are buying and selling. Price went up, so more people are buying. 7-day average reflections and rewards, 122 million. And let's scroll back up to the top. So the total rewards and reflections, 2 billion. Well, let's just say 2.5 billion. That's about what it is. And at the current price, that is worth 91 cents. And today, right now, you can buy 1 trillion tokens for 350, let's just say $360. Trillion tokens. A few days ago, it was only 290. Either way, still a buying opportunity, but I'm not a financial advisor, right? You do what you want with your money. If I had extra money, $350, yeah, I'd buy 1 trillion Archangel. A couple other tokens I'd look into buying, but I really like this one. But who am I? I'm just a random dude on YouTube, right? So anyway, total reflections, look at, we're even now. Look at that. Total reflections, what is that? That's 1,284,000,000. And the total staking pool rewards, 1,262,000,000,000. So we're even. It's been 12 days. Staking pool. It's been 12 days in the staking pool. And we're pretty much even with our reflection rewards that have been going on for 39 days. What was day one? December 27th. That's when we bought in. And I think it cost, mid $800 for 1 trillion tokens. Price has gone down a lot since then, but it seems to be recovering right now. But let's take a look. We'll keep following it. But that's pretty much it on that. But we got a couple other things we want to take a look at real quick, okay? If you go to Telegram, if you're not on Telegram, you should be if you are involved in crypto at all, okay? Just what I'm saying. You can follow all their projects. So if you go to Scratch Token official chat on Telegram, they have a pinned message, which is their voice chat from yesterday. It's about half an hour long, and they talk about they had their pre-launch sale, and you can verify or validate your transaction to the pre-sale. So you can go on there, log in, put in your numbers and stuff, and it will show you, yes, this is how many USDC you sent them, or USDT, whatever they use. I can't remember. I get them confused. It shows your wallet. It shows the wallet you want to send them to, and you got to type in your key phrase or whatever you put when you registered. They said something like 94% of the wallets have already checked their validation. So that leaves 4, 5, or 6% of the other people haven't checked yet. There's a couple complications with a couple of the wallets. Not a lot of money, a handful of wallets, they said. But something screwed up. They didn't type in the right numbers, something like that. Either way, going forward on the voice chat for Scratch, they talk about a few other things. They're talking about they're trying to line up, or they have lined up, I'm not sure, a centralized exchange, top exchange. So I'm thinking top 10 exchange, no idea what it is. They were talking about a lot of Binance stuff. Are they going straight for Binance? Yeah, that would be really cool for the project and the price of the token. Doubt that's happening. Not sure. They did say they're going to announce it to the Telegram channel before it gets listed on the exchange. Positive for us. Like I said, today's the 4th of February. They're doing a Certec audit. They were expecting that to be done, or they were expecting to finish their contract. There's a lot more information about the Scratch token. You need to go listen to the voice chat. I'm telling you, there's a lot of good information on the voice chat. Go there, go to their Telegram channel, listen to it. It's only 30 minutes. Hey, you're driving into work, just put it in your earbuds, right? It's not hard to do. Go there, find it, listen. Lots of good information, like legit. Other than that, let me see if we got anything else going on, okay? Okay, on the official Archangel token Telegram channel. Hey, look, the Guardian round 1 pre-sale registration starts today, and it goes for like 3 or 4 days. That's round 1. Round 2 starts a few days after, lasts for like a week. Total amount of tokens, what was it? 8% of the total tokens will be available on the pre-sale. This is not the pre-sale. This is the pre-sale registration. You click the link. You say, here's my wallet that holds Archangel. And you say, and there's a question. How many, the maximum you could get in on the pre-sale on round 1 is $5,000. How much of that do you want to participate in? There's a stipulation. If you've sold Archangel in the last 30 days, you're not allowed into round 1. You can be allowed into round 2. You have to have I think it's over 250 billion Archangel tokens in your wallet. So if you haven't sold any Archangel for the last 30 days, doesn't matter if you have one token in there, okay? You just say, hey, here's my wallet address that has Archangel. They'll validate that you haven't sold any Archangel in 30 days. How much money do you want to put on the pre-sale of Guardian? There's like 4 buttons to click: 25, 50, 75, 100%, all in, whatever you want to do, whatever you want, right? Click it. It says, thank you for your contribution to the data. After the second round of the pre-sale, they're going to figure out how much money is available for the pre-sale. Pre-sales are expensive. Hopefully the pre-sale will max out and there'll be enough people who want to get in on the pre-sale. But right now is a pre-sale registration. The pre-sale will probably be the end of February. I'm not 100% sure. They said end of Q1, which is the end of March. So I haven't seen an announcement on the exact dates of the pre-sale for Guardian token. But just a heads up, go to Archangel's Telegram channel and also go to Guardian's Telegram channel. And that's pretty much it for the day. Just trying to do a quick update. Looks like we're probably pushing how far? Hopefully this video will be less than like 12, 13 minutes. But, I'm just trying to do what I can do. Trying to put out information on Archangel token. Archangel token's ecosystem, which involves Guardian, Scratch token. Scratch token's an external project. Still part of the ecosystem. There's a whole bunch of other stuff going on. If you have time, go to the Telegram channel for Guardian token or Archangel token. Lots of good information there. Lots of good people there. They'll answer your questions. Any questions you have, crazy questions. Where's my airdrop from my original Archangel token? Oh man, that happened like a month and a half ago. Either way, it's in your wallet to answer that question. Anyway, I'm just saying, thanks a lot for tuning in to Blue Collar Crypto. I appreciate you watching the channel. I'm just trying to spread the word on Archangel token. If you could, give me a like and a subscribe. If you want, comment. Hey, if you think my videos totally suck, man, just write it in the comments. And hey, I won't delete it unless you say stuff like my ex-wife, then I'll have to remove that. But, we're just saying. Either way, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Honestly. Thanks. And I'll see you guys next time. All right.
Good day, sir.